we managed to get the tires, the new ones, and we put on the hubcaps. We won't put on the front right tire because we kind of need it for accessibility.
Well, it's making room to work on the fuel pump.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got it out. And what's your theory with it?
My theory?
Yeah.
The diaphragm is is right here in between, and it's what pumps up and down and moves the. Oh, this is upside down, and moves the gas. And what happens is that diaphragm probably got old and wore and tore, and so it started pumping gas up to the top of it up here, and there's a hole right here, so it started blowing out all the gas. And so back in the day, you could get a kit, and you could just pull it apart and put the diaphragm back in there and all that, so that's a possibility. But we're going to also go out and see if we can find one, that a new one.
Yeah.
So that's kind of where we're at.
We also cleaned off the flywheel cover, and we cleaned it up. We were gonna put it on, but we had no idea what we were doing.
Yeah, we did.
No. There was a spacer, and we have to find out. We have to find out how to put it in.
Yeah, there's it looked like it was for a what did I say? I think it was. Look at that thing when you're talking.
Engine mounting.
Right, I thought it was a motor mounting because it's in the bag with all the stuff, and we started putting it together. We saw that with that. Man, are we missing a spot? So anyways, we're kind of out of time, and I don't think we didn't have our manual with us to look at it a little better, and so yeah.
We were also gonna clean out the oil in the rear differential, but we did it too late, and we didn't do it before we took off the gas pump.
Yeah, everything. So, and we need to get oil. Still need to get oil for the
transmission.
For the transmission that's on there, and it says motor 10 weight non-detergent. And so, or I think we've talked about this before. So it's tough to find that these days, and it also says we might be able to find it for tractor oil. So in another 2 weeks, we'll know for sure.
Yeah, put it in by the valve.
They had a certain model of Lincoln where the back windows opened up, like the rear window.
Hang on, move your hand out of the way. So we're gonna go for that one. Okay.
Ah,
Got you on your shirt.
yeah, it's just
A little oil. Oh
it's
no.
spewing.
Okay. Take it off there. It's probably not gonna. Oh. Oh wow. That's weird.
Kind of like a
Every time you hit it, it comes out.
every time I try to move it.
Okay, take that off. Let me see what it looks like.
See, I move it one bit, it just starts coming out.
Can you unscrew that thing without touching it?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on, man. Hang on. Okay, there you go. Now do it.
The camera's actually useful.
Oh, for the light?
No, I could see.
Oh, what you're doing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, like without having to, you can look at it from here instead of looking up over it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, see, you see how that whole thing is moving? Look,
Yeah.
look. So what you can do is with your left hand, you can kind of push on the pump, and with your right hand, you can unscrew it by hand. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Or whichever way is going to work. You should, because when it's sitting on the bolt, it makes it tight. So if you can move it around a little bit, it might make it looser to unscrew it.
Still a bit tight.
Okay, all right, then put your wrench back on. Because once that bolt comes out, that thing's going to drop. So, you know what I mean? Okay, try it by hand again. Do it by hand. There you go. Got it? Okay, so that thing should just be able to take it out of there. Awesome. Is there a, yeah, see, there's a what? What'd you spill on you this time? Gas?
Yeah.
It's all right, leave it, just set it down. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. There. Okay, leave it there. All right, see, so you can see the gaskets on there, right?
Yeah.
At some point, we'll have to take that off of there.
Ooh. You can see the camshaft for the side valve injection.
Yep.
Let's see what's. Only if we had like a stronger light, we could see what's going on in there.